owe me. Just owe me.
Mine's not even taking a picture right now.
What?
See, my camera's broken. See, I clicked it, but it's not doing anything. So I need to use your camera.
I know, it's out of battery. Here. You have to plug mine in.
It's distracting her. Gosh, if this isn't recording, I'm gonna be so grumpy. There's Mama. Well, let's see if it recorded.